Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can transfer files from iPhone to MacBook using Airdrop. For that, guys, just go to Finder, click on Airdrop, expand this. Here, try to click on everyone. Just click on the pics which you want to send. Let me click on this. Okay. Now click on share. Use airdrop. You can see Azhar's MacBook Air. Click on it. Now it will self iPhones wants to send a photo. Click on accept. Now it would have been added. To see that, guys, go to download folder. You can see the image has been added here. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.